In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your app from Base44 in just a few simple steps. Let's get started, shall we? The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to base44.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. It's important to make sure you're logging into the correct account where your app is hosted. After you've logged in, find the app you wish to share. Having your app open and ready is crucial before moving on to the next steps. Now, once you're inside the app, the next task on our list is to publish it. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see a button labeled Publish. Go ahead and click on that. When you click Publish, Base44 will start the process of getting your app ready to share. There's not much to do here except wait for a few seconds while Base44 completes the publishing process. This is usually pretty quick, so you won't be waiting long. Once the publishing is complete, you will be provided with a link to your app. This is your key to sharing, and all you need to do here is copy that link. And with the link copied, you're just about ready to start sharing your app with the world. Now, let's go over how you can share this link. You can send the link directly to anyone you wish. They will be able to open your app in any web browser, making it incredibly easy for people to access it. Beyond emailing or messaging the link, think about other creative ways to share it. For instance, you can post a link on social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Additionally, if you have a website or blog, you can embed the link there, offering seamless access to your app for site visitors. And there you have it. With these easy steps, your app is shared and ready for others to explore. By following this guide, you'll ensure that the sharing process is both smooth and efficient. Whether you're aiming to share your app with a small group of collaborators or a wide audience, these steps offer a straightforward approach. So go ahead and give it a try. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy sharing, and have a great day.